front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by pinching your device's display. Now, when you see all of those options at the bottom, hit Themes, between Wallpaper and Style, and Widgets. When you're ready, hit Themes at the bottom left corner and look for a perfect one for you. You can click on all of those. You can click on the search bar at the top right corner to type in whatever you want to, or click on one of those sections. I would recommend, at least at first, to hit top at the top over here. Select all on the left and selecting free. Now pick your theme and click on it. Select download. Tap on apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. Let's check out lock screen too. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by going back to Themes app. So pinch your screen, hit Themes here, and this time click Menu at the bottom right corner. Now select My Stuff at the top left one. Click on Default, under Themes, its first category. Tap on Apply in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!